and welcome to पैसों की पाठशाला, एक फाइनेंस गेम शो प्रेजेंटेड बाय ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund। यह है वो शो जहां हंसी, मस्ती और स्मार्ट चॉइसेस मिलेंगी एक ही स्टेज पर। आज यहां पर ना कोई टैरो कार्ड्स हैं, ना क्रिस्टल बॉल, बस है तो सिर्फ इन्वेस्टिंग के असली फंडे। तो तैयार हो, क्योंकि यहाँ आपके फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन ही तय करेंगे कि आप बनेंगे फॉर्च्यून के स्टार या हो जाएंगे इस गेम से बाहर। आज 3 टीम्स फाइनेंस बेस्ड चैलेंजेस में compete करेंगे, जिसमें हम पैसिव इन्वेस्टमेंट्स का इंटरेस्टिंग वर्ल्ड एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। I am Shant Manu, your host, and I'll be guiding you through this exciting episode। यहाँ जो टीम्स ये साबित करेंगे कि वो तैयार हैं और ये प्रूव करेंगे कि उनकी फाइनेंशियल नॉलेज है बाकियों से ज्यादा, वही बनेंगे बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टीम्स। So why wait? Dive in, test your fate right here, right now। तो मिलते हैं अपनी पहली टीम से, टीम ए मनी लॉर्ड्स। Yes, that's our attitude।
Hi, my name is Sabir Rathod. I'm 35 years old and I'm an HR professional.
Hi, my name's Hetvi. I'm 22 years old. I work in media and I love money.
We play smart
We play bold.
and above all, we are
the
money lords.
Welcome team B, Cash Kings। Guys, give it up, make some noise।
Hi, I'm Piyush. I'm 41 years old. I work in a fintech startup. I love investing.
Hi, this is Amit. I'm 33 years teenage and I work in the insurance sector and I love doing stand-up comedy. Where there is cash,
There's a king.
and that's us, Cash Kings!
Say hello to our last team, Team C, Super Savers। Yeah।
Hi, my name is Pallavi and I'm 20 years old and I work in a production house.
Hello, myself Nikhil Soni. I am 20 years old, pursuing BMM. Saving wisely.
We will win wildly because we are
Super savers.
So we have our 3 teams। गेम होगा 3 राउंड्स में। टेस्ट पे होगा फाइनेंशियल नॉलेज एंड टीम वर्क। So let's start with पैसों की पाठशाला राउंड 1, which is rapid fire। शुरुआत में हर टीम के स्कोर बैंक में होंगे 25,000 points। In the first round, right answer will give you 10,000 points and the wrong will deduct 5,000 points, जो कि बाकी टीम्स में बांट दिए जाएंगे very conveniently, very easy। हर टीम से मैं 4 सवाल पूछूंगा and to answer each question you will get 3 seconds each। Are you guys excited? Yes! And in this round, speed helps unless you slip up with the wrong answer। So being fast and right is the only option to win। तो रेडी हैं आप अपने फाइनेंशियल स्किल से अपने स्कोर बैंक का बैलेंस बढ़ाने के लिए?
Yes!
ऐसा कैसा पैसा। So the first question of rapid fire round coming up to you, Team Money Lords। ETFs usually किसकी परफॉर्मेंस को रेप्लिकेट करने की कोशिश करता है?
I know. Tracking something?
Unfortunately, it is a wrong answer।
No.
Because of this, आपके 5,000 points deduct करके,
We can get some points.
yes, in the next round, not in this question, I'm so sorry। So 2,500 points to Team B and 2,500 points to Team C।
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
The second question of this rapid fire for you, Team Money Lords. Who is the author of the ETF book?
You know it? Yeah, correct answer.
Unfortunately, the right answer is Richard A. Ferry। And again, 5,000 points distributed among Team B and Team C। 2,500।
Second वाला भी शगुन का होता है.
Guys, focus, concentrate, और ये आपके लिए भी lesson है। They have lost 10,000 points in the very beginning। Third question coming up. Concentrate, focus, discuss। You have 3 seconds, guys। जल्दबाजी में गलत आंसर मत दीजिए। Which Indian stock exchange was the first to list ETFs?
National Stock Exchange.
National Stock Exchange?
Yeah, that has to be
National
correct.
Stock Exchange.
Yes.
Has to
Yes,
be correct.
National Stock Exchange। That is correct। And yes. So guys, you get 10,000 points. And yes, you're back in the game। Question number 4 for this first round, which is, which term refers to the deviation of an ETF's returns from its benchmark index? Take your 3 seconds। Yeah. Time's up, guys।
I said the answer.
you
I
said the
know, and
correct
I said
answer.
time's up। We
on.
said our bit.
Please.
I know.
Please.
Please.
Yeah.
हम कितने दिलदार है आपको पता है.
एक
Okay,
chance, one
okay,
chance.
okay,
one
okay,
chance.
okay.
Sir.
Because you're saying please, there'll be no negative marking. Okay, that's the best I can do. Negative marking नहीं होगी तो उनका भी कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ यहाँ पे. But yes, you don't get the point, and that's the end for you in first round. Okay, now it's your turn. Team B, Cash Kings, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Let's do it then. So first question coming your way, Team B, Cash Kings. Which investment approach does Smart Beta combine?
Passive and active strategies.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you? Okay, yes, you are sure. Passive and active strategies. You get 10,000. Good job, guys. Good job.
Yes.
Question coming your way. Which index tracks the companies that rank 51 to 100 in the Nifty 100?
Nifty next 50.
Yes, you are right too. You are sure and you are right. Correct. 10,000 point, guys. Next question coming your way. What is the full form of NSE?
National Stock Exchange.
अरे यार. Next question coming your way. One example of sector-specific ETF. And time's up. We should end this round for Team 2 Cash Kings. Brilliantly played, by the way.
Okay.
Now it's time for you, Team C. Super savers in the house. Let's see what you can do. Are you ready?
Yes.
Your first question is, which index is most commonly tracked by ETFs and index funds in India?
Nifty 50.
Correct answer, Nifty 50. That is right. Good job. Question number 2. From which indices are the stocks in the Nifty Alpha Low Volatility Index selected? And time up. So third question, guys. Any two advantages of gold ETFs?
You can buy it as low as 100 rupees and there's no fear of theft.
That is correct answer. Okay, next question coming your way. Which is a smart beta strategy that involves buying securities that are rising in value?
Momentum.
That's correct. You get 10,000 points, guys. And with this, we have reached to the end of round 1 of Paison Ki Pathshala episode 3. So let's see who is standing where. Team Money Lords, you are at 25,000 points. Team Cash Kings, you are at 60,000 points. Team Super Savers, you are at 60,000 points too. All three of you are moving on to the next round. इस राउंड में हर क्वेश्चन के होंगे 4 ऑप्शंस. याद रहे, मेरे सारे ऑप्शंस पढ़ने के बाद ही आपको बजर दबाना है. इस राउंड में भी आपको राइट आंसर्स पे मिलेंगे 10,000 पॉइंट्स एंड माइनस होंगे 5,000 पॉइंट्स ऑन अ रॉन्ग आंसर. ऑल्सो अगर आपने बजर प्रेस करके आंसर नहीं दिया तो हो जाएगा 5,000 पॉइंट्स माइनस, जो बाकी 2 टीम्स में डिवाइड हो जाएंगे. आपको सही ऑप्शन के साथ पूरा जवाब बताना होगा. एट द एंड ऑफ द राउंड, द टीम विद द लोएस्ट स्कोर गेट्स एलिमिनेटेड फ्रॉम द कॉम्पिटिशन. तो शुरू करें. ऐसा कैसा पैसा. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस बजर राउंड इज, in which year was the Nifty 50 index launched? A. 1986, B. 1992, C. 1996, and D. 2000s. Team A, उन्होंने सबसे पहले बजर दबाया. Please tell us what's the right answer.
1996.
Yes, that's true. It is C. 1996. So let's move on to question number 2. Gold ETFs are passively managed investment instruments that aim to invest in gold of what purity? Option A, 90.5% to 91.5%. B, 95.5% to 95.9%. C, 99.5% to 99.9%. Option D, 80.5% to 80.9%. तो सबसे पहले बजर प्रेस किया है आपने, टीम सी. अरे यार, I'm a player too. टीम सी सुपर सेवर्स. I was talking to them यार. Don't celebrate इतना जल्दी अभी. So tell me, what's the right answer?
Option C, 99.5% / 99.9%.
That is correct answer. Good job. Going good, Team Super Savers. Third question for this round is coming up. When did the BSE Limited launch its first index, the Sensex? A. January 1, 1980. B. January 1, 1986. C. January 1, 1990. या D. January 1, 1995.
We did
We
it.
did it first.
सबसे पहले बजर दबाया है टीम बी ने. कैश किंग्स गाइस, गुड जॉब. मगर अभी आंसर्स बताने का टाइम आ चुका है. टेल मी द राइट आंसर.
So the answer is B, 1st January 1986.
So that is the right answer. You get 10,000 points, guys. So question fourth of this round coming up, guys. Which year was India's first silver ETF launched? A. 2022. B. 2021. Option C. 2019. And option D. 2015. Okay, close one, guys. But Team C, जिन्होंने सबसे पहले buzzer press किया, tell me the right answer.
Option B, 2021.
You sure?
100%.
I think we should
Is
get a
it?
chance.
I think.
It's correct.
Okay, tell me the right answer.
It's 2022.
Actually, 2022 is the right answer. Unfortunately, you lose this one. And 5,000 points are taken away from you and distributed to these two teams.
Thank you.
Very happily, they'll accept it. Moving on to the fifth question of this round, guys. As of December 2024, there are how many passive funds in India? Option A, 505. Option B, 500. Option C, 515. Option D, 410.
Should I press it?
Be sure, guys. Don't lose another point. 3, 2, 1, and up. Time's up, guys. Time's up. The right answer was C515. So close. So close, guys. So close. Last question. Number of passive folios as of September 2024. A. 2+ crores. B. 3+ crores. C. 4+ crores. या D. 1 crore. Okay. So सबसे पहले buzzer press किया है टीम C Super Savers ने, guys. Good job done there. But what is the right answer? Tell me.
Option B, 3+ crore.
That is the right answer. 3+ crore. You get 10,000 points in your account. And with that, we have reached to the end of round 2. जिसका score होगा सबसे low, वो exit करेंगे ये show. Let's see the scores. Team A, Money Lords. After the end of round 2, आपने score किए हैं 37,500 points. Team B, Cash Kings. After the end of round 2, आपने score किए हैं 72,500 points. Team C, Super Savers ने score किए हैं 75,000 points.
Wow.
And with this, unfortunately, Team A eliminate होती है इस round 2 से of पैसों की पाठशाला. Thank you very much for being on the show. Thank you very much, Team A. Guys, Team Money Lords.
तो जीतना है किसी को हारना है.
अब शुरू होता है अपना last and final round called Wheel of Chain Reaction. Before we tell you what the round is about, let me first reveal something amazing. क्या है वो चीज? This is, as you can see, is a spinning wheel, जिसमें है 6 categories mentioned: debt, commodity, equity, smart beta, sectoral/thematic ETFs और market cap ETFs. जिस टीम ने प्रीवियस राउंड में सबसे ज्यादा पॉइंट स्कोर किया होगा, उन्हें पहले व्हील स्पिन करने का मौका मिलेगा. जब व्हील स्पिन होके रुकेगा, जो भी कैटेगरी उसमें से आएगी, उस टीम को उस कैटेगरी से रिलेटेड टर्म्स बताने होंगे. हर सही आंसर पर 20,000 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. जो टीम सबसे ज्यादा और सही टर्म्स बताएगी, वही जीतेगी. Each team gets 15 seconds and 3 spins. Are you guys ready? Last round में टीम C Super Savers ने सबसे बेस्ट परफॉर्म किया था. I think it's only fair कि हम उन्हें पहले इनवाइट करें. So decide कि कौन पहले आएगा और इस व्हील को घुमाएगा. Please take your spot. Give us the smile. And go ahead. Wheel is all yours. Go ahead. Okay. Which one is it? It is the debt. Please get back to your seat. And we are set with the timer. Your time starts now. Guys, time चल रहा है मतलब.
I mean,
Okay. Okay.
Sock.
Okay.
नहीं.
Guys, I'm so sorry. Time's up. Team B Cash Kings आपको ये राउंड जीतने के लिए पहले टीम से ज्यादा टर्म्स को बताना होगा ऑन अ स्पेसिफिक कैटेगरी. आप में से कौन आने वाला है? आइए. Spin the wheel. And we have equity. Okay. On the seat, and your 15 seconds starts now.
Stocks.
Stock, portfolio, return, sector.
Come on, come on. This can be the, the world record. Come on.
Beta.
Beta. Time's up, guys. Time's up. Cash Kings ने यहाँ पर 5 टर्म्स बताए जो कि सही थे. So congratulations. ये राउंड goes to Team B Cash Kings and they get 20,000 points. Good job, guys. Good job. So guys, there are 2 more challenges coming up. There's a chance कि आप इस गेम में वापस आ सकते हैं. Just focus, concentrate and buckle up. Come on.
Yes.
Come on. Okay. Team C, Super Savers. Please, on the wheel.
All the best.
And we have commodity ETFs, equity, sectoral / thematic ETFs. Please.
Okay.
So, your time starts now.
Infrastructure,
Auto.
Okay.
Banks.
Okay.
Private banks.
healthcare. Okay. Okay.
Clock is ticking, guys. Come on.
मुझे नहीं.
5 already. Come on. Come on. 3,
Private banks.
2, 1. Time's up. Time's up. Team C, Super Savers. आपने 6 टर्म्स बताए हमें. टीम B Cash Kings कि आप जिस भी कैटेगरी पे आपका चांस आएगा आपको 6 से ज़्यादा टर्म्स बताने होंगे. On that note, please आ जाइए. On the wheel. Smart Beta ETFs.
Okay.
Back to your position and your 15 seconds starts now.
Momentum.
High dividend yield, alpha, beta, and then you have volatility, then you have risk management, then you have factor investing, then you have smart
3,
indexing, then you have
2,
quality.
1. Time's up. Guys, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. We are growing, we are evolving and I like it. लेकिन एक टीम ने बेटर परफॉर्म किया है unfortunately because it is a contest. So team C Super Savers, आपने 6 टर्म्स बताई हमें जिसमें से unfortunately एक टर्म को आपने रिपीट किया. So you have 5 names. Team B Cash Kings, आपने 9 टर्म्स बताई हमें और वो सभी की सभी 9 टर्म्स करेक्ट हैं. So congratulations. Round second also goes to Team B Cash Kings and give it up, yaar. Come on. Good game. Which means challenge 2 also goes to Team B Cash Kings. Give it up for them, guys. Good job. Good job. As we can tell, there is not much of a contest, but again, guys, it's about pride. It's about yourself, you're here to prove something. This is the time for you to prove. And on that note, I call you on the wheel. Please. चलो So market cap ETFs, back to your position. Guys, this is your moment. Your time starts now.
Nifty 50, Nifty 100.
Nifty 50, Nifty 100, Nifty 500, Nifty next 50,
Nifty mid cap.
50, Nifty mid cap 100, Nifty mid cap 150.
5, 4,
BSC,
2,
Sensex,
one.
BSC 500.
Time's up. Time's up, guys. So guys, amazing job done. आप लोगों ने 9 terms बताई हैं इस category में, and that's how it's done. Good job, Team C Super Savers. So for the last spin-off, please Team B में से आ जाइए, and let's do this. लेकिन अब spin क्या करेंगे? Commodity ETFs is the only thing pending, so let me do the honors, and please back to your position.
Yeah.
And your time starts now.
Gold,
Silver, bullion, volatile, MCX,
currency.
6. Is it? No. Okay, 5. Time's running, guys. Clock is ticking. 50 seconds. About to finish.
5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So आपने इस चैलेंज में 6 टर्म्स बताए और टीम सी सुपर सेवर्स ने इस चैलेंज में 9 टर्म्स बताए, पर कितने सही कितने गलत? एनी आइडियाज? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? एनी गेसेस यार? कम ऑन
सारे
हम
सही।
हमारे सारे सही होंगे, एक दो ही
सारे
राइट
सही।
होंगे.
Excuse me.
गाइस,
Yes.
इस बात पर मैं एक ही चीज कहना चाहता हूं, तथास्तु। सभी टर्म्स सही थे। सो विद दैट टीम सी सुपर सेवर्स इस चैलेंज को जीत गई हैं, और इसी के साथ वी हैव रीच्ड टू द एंड ऑफ दिस राउंड 3 ऑफ एपिसोड 3 ऑफ पैसों की पाठशाला। और अब हमारे पास है वो टीम जो कि इस एपिसोड की बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टीम होगी, और उसे मैं अनाउंस करने वाला हूं, पर उससे पहले a little show of time, guys. So now we have the results with us. कोई एक टीम आज बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टीम की ट्रॉफी घर लेकर जाएगी। अनफॉर्चुनेटली दूसरी टीम इस एपिसोड में विक्टोरियस नहीं हो पाई है। टीम बी कैश किंग्स, आपने एट द एंड ऑफ राउंड 3 अर्न किए हैं इन टोटल ऑफ 1,12,500 points. Give it up, guys. Give it up. हमारी टीम सी सुपर सेवर ने अर्न किए हैं एट द एंड ऑफ राउंड 3 ऑफ एपिसोड 3 ऑफ पैसों की पाठशाला इन टोटल ऑफ 95,000 पॉइंट्स। और इसी के साथ इस एपिसोड की विक्टोरियस टीम है टीम बी कैश किंग्स। कंग्रेचुलेशन टीम, कंग्रेचुलेशन टीम बी। और इसी के साथ आप जीतते हैं द बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टीम की ट्रॉफी। एंड कैन आई हैव दोज ट्रॉफीज गाइस? कैन आई हैव यू ऑन स्टेज? दिस इज योर ट्रॉफी। और इसी के साथ आप जीते हैं बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टीम ऑफ दिस एपिसोड 3 ऑफ पैसों की पाठशाला। एंड दैट्स अ रैप ऑन अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ पैसों की पाठशाला प्रेजेंटेड बाय ICICI प्रूडेंशियल म्यूचुअल फंड। आज हमने सीखा कि पैसों की प्लानिंग में स्ट्रेटजी के साथ साथ थोड़ा फन और थोड़ा रिस्क भी होना ही चाहिए। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही, बट डोंट वरी, हम फिर मिलेंगे विद मोर ट्विस्ट्स। तब तक अपने पैसे को स्मार्टली मैनेज करो और थोड़ा चिल भी करो यार। बाय बाय, गुड नाइट फैम। स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड। This is yours and this belong to you. This is yours और ये है आपका एम्पर। This is yours and thank you for being part. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.